In this video, we'll just talk about the sales life cycle. It's quite a powerful little feature. So the first thing to note is that it appears in the system settings because you rarely update it once you've set the system up. You tend to run with it, and it only appears down here if you've got estimates enabled. And if you want to see how to enable estimates, just click on the little video that explains how to enable estimating. So if we click on the sales life cycle, it's a good idea just to use some common sense here. So if someone rang up and made an inquiry, there's a lot of things you need to find out. Are they serious? Do they have a budget? What are their time scales? Is it urgent? And so on. And so it's good to flag something as an initial inquiry if you actually need some more information on it. If you've got all that information and then you start investing in it, maybe you're getting prices or you're maybe putting some work, sourcing stuff or whatever for a job, then it's good to flag it as a real opportunity, i.e. is worth investing time in. If you've already done all that work and you've issued a proposal, then it's good to move the status to proposal issued, and that means I've done all the hard work and I'm now just awaiting a decision. You can edit any of these if you want by just simply clicking on it, and you can edit and change the description. This order button simply dictates how it looks when you actually use it, and it means that you can have the statuses in a logical order. You can add in your own status if you want. So then in a practical sense, if you have a look at your estimates and you click on add, it'll always, when you input a new one, it'll always default to initial inquiry. And then you can just say, well, just after you've done the work on it, you can say it's a real opportunity. And then after that, you can say proposal issued. Yeah. And it's just a way of, if you've got a large volume of estimates and quotes or whatever, it's just a way of having a little process that helps you organize it all and get good visibility of it. If you click back here and if you have a look at all of your estimates or whatever, and you do a quick report, then it groups. So I could say, show me all the estimates from this date to this date that's in progress, or all, and then what it'll do is it'll group all of those and summarize them by the status. So in progress, initial inquiry, and so on. So a very, very powerful concept. Once again, it's applicable to if you've got high volumes of estimates, or if you've got multiple people, salespeople, and so on. It's a very good way of analyzing and getting your head around, and getting a really good overview of where you are in terms of business opportunities. And that covers sales lifecycle.